Airtable forms are one of the easiest ways to collect data without giving people access to your base. No spreadsheets, no editing mistakes. In this video, I'll show you how to create forms in Airtable step by step in 2026 and how to use them properly. All right, first, open the Airtable base where you want form responses to go. Forms always connect to an existing table, so your table structure should be ready before creating the form. Now, create a form view. Click Add View, then choose Form. This automatically creates a form connected to your table. Each field in your table becomes a question in the form. Text fields become text inputs, select fields become drop-downs, and date fields become date pickers. The form is built directly from your table structure. All right? Now customize the form. Rename questions to make them clear, add help text if needed, and hide fields you don't want users to see. Only show what the person filling out the form actually needs. Next, mark important fields as required. For example, name, email, or request type. This prevents incomplete submissions and saves cleanup time later. Now, open form settings. You can customize the form title, description, and submission message. This is also where you control whether people can submit multiple responses. All right? Once the form looks good, copy the share link. Anyone with this link can submit the form, but they cannot see your table or other data. This makes forms safe for clients, leads, or public use. Finally, check your responses. Every form submission creates a new row in your table automatically. You can use views, filters, or automation to process responses easily. And that's how to create and use forms in Airtable. Clean inputs, no editing mistakes, and automatic organization. Once you start using forms, collecting data becomes much simpler.